In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Google Ads with PayPal. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can seamlessly set up PayPal as your payment method for Google Ads. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Google Ads account's overview page. This is your control center where you can access various tools and features to manage your ad campaigns effectively. So, go ahead and open the Google Ads overview page. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account associated with your ads account. Having your credentials ready will streamline this process. Once you're on the overview page, look towards the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the Billing tab. Give it a click. The Billing section gives you an overview of your transaction history and current balance, and it's where you can manage your payment settings. This area is crucial for keeping your advertising campaigns financially organized. When you're in the billing section, the next step is to locate and click on payment methods. This is where all your current payment options are displayed and where you can add new ones. It's always a good idea to review your existing payment methods before you proceed, just to ensure there are no discrepancies or outdated information. Now that you're inside the payment methods page, look for the Add Payment Method button. Click it to proceed. This option allows you to introduce a new way to finance your ad campaigns, which in this case will be through PayPal. After you click on Add Payment Method, a new window will open with several options. Here, you'll need to select Add Credit or Debit Card. This might seem a bit counterintuitive, but since PayPal often functions as a payment card, this is the way to link it to your Google Ads account. With that done, you're now ready to enter your PayPal card information. You'll need the card number linked to your PayPal account at this stage, so have this handy before you start entering details. Be sure to double check the information you input, such as the card number, expiration date, and any other required fields, to avoid any interruptions in your ad campaigns due to payment issues. By following these steps carefully, you should now have successfully added PayPal as a payment method for your Google Ads account. This setup can make managing your ad spend more flexible and efficient, allowing you to focus more on creating great campaigns and less on the financial logistics. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, the Google Ads Help Center is a great resource to consult. Thanks for watching. We hope this guide was helpful in setting up your payments. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.